So here I've got the Our Place 10.5-inch ceramic pan here, and I have this kind of tan color. I guess it's called steam. Several other colors you can pick from as well. So first off, thank you to the company for sending this out to me. They sent me this really nice pan to try out. It has become one of my favorite pans. I've been using it a lot for doing all kinds of steaming. Right now I'm steaming some dim sum. Also use it to steam vegetables, steam fish, as you can see here. It's great for steaming just all kinds of stuff. Super easy. Has this really nice steaming rack right there. You just put water at the bottom, put your food on the steaming rack, and then let your food steam. Makes it really easy. Comes with this little spoon here that you can sit right there. So it has a built-in spoon rest, so you put it right there. Yeah, and I really like this pan because it is non-stick, ceramic, doesn't have all the toxic chemicals in it. It's really nice to fry in, as you can see. It makes eggs really nicely. They just slide off, don't stick to the pan. Really super easy to clean as well. Has a nice handle on both sides, so super easy to carry, really nice and lightweight. And overall, just a really beautiful, great looking pan. Love it. So if you are in need of a pan, it is extremely versatile. You can do all types of cooking in it. Then definitely check this one out.